Pro has organized an attractive airdrop in collaboration with Tonekeeper Wallet. Tonekeeper, as one of the main supporters of this project, plays a key role in this profitable airdrop. So don't miss it and stay with us with Bump. It's an incredible airdrop. Pro Trust is a specialized and well-known platform that provides trust and investment management in the digital currency market, which specifically responds to the needs of inventors in this field. And this time it entered to a competition with other airdrops with a reward-based game called Bump. The biggest strength of this project is the strong partners like Austin, GetGems and Tonekeeper, which increases the position of this project among the audience of digital currencies. Participating in this project is easy, so now I'm gonna teach you how you can participate in this project. If you still don't have this bot, you can use the link below in the description section of this video to start the bot. In addition, be sure to subscribe our Telegram channel to get the latest news of such projects. You should know that you can get Bump currency using two simple techniques: farm and claim. When you start Bump, this message will be displayed for you, and by clicking Get Rich Fast, you will enter the game at the beginning. The roadmap of this project will be displayed, and after that you will enter the main page, which has many options, and I'll explain them one by one for you guys. By clicking on the Start Farming option, you will see that in this section it will automatically mine the token of this project for you, and this farming mechanism stays activated for 6 hours, and it must be drained every 6 hours to start mining again. Also, we can get tokens separately by clicking on this coin. As you can see here is what you achieved by clicking or hitting on it. At the bottom, we have a great button that takes us to the boost section, a section that exists almost in all airdrops and you're familiar with it. But it is a little bit different here. Indeed, you can multiply all tokens earned through farming via boost here. The doubling option tells you that by paying 4 million, your farming power will be doubled for just 1 day. The triple option says that by paying 30 million, your farming power will be tripled for a week. And they are not something super amazing, but this story is a little bit different with this option. And it says that you can benefit of 5 times of farming for 1 month by paying 200 million of your tokens, which is really an amazing offer. Also, there are a series of tasks that you can do to earn in less time. Let's back to the bot main page, and here we can connect this bot to your Tonekeeper wallet. You just need to click on Connect Wallet and confirm via password or fingerprint to complete this step. If you enter to the bot again, you will see your wallet address. And if you want to change your wallet, you can disconnect and re-establish your connection. Here, by clicking on your wallet address and selecting disconnect, and then connect the new wallet again. The farming section explanation is finished. Now let's enter to the friends section. Here, by inviting friends to this program, you can receive up to 10% of their tokens as a reward. For this purpose, just copy the link and send it to your friends. In the task section, You can get more tokens by doing some simple things like following Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, and other accounts of this project. Also, connecting to this wallet has 100 million reward, and by earning these points, you can activate boost section that we talked about. There are two other options here. One of them is daily, which gives you a daily bonus every day for playing the game. And you get more every day. Let's back to the previous page, and here is another option called game, and it's not currently activated. And it can be used to earn more money after activating. I will notify you about the activation time here in my Telegram channel. And the final section is voucher. This part is currently not accessible and will be available soon. And it might be important during bump token listing, and it's related to the sale and purchase of tokens in this market. If you have missed Notcoin and other similar projects till now, don't worry, because Bump might be one of the best and newest one. Remember that before starting an airdrop, do enough research on it. Our channel will do it for you here and provide video tutorials about various kind of airdrops and how to use them. So if you have any question, please write it for us here in the comment section, and follow our Telegram channel to get tips, codes and awards. And support us with your likes and subscribes. So until the next video, I wish the best for you guys.